2007 FT3. Some asteroids get all the attention, while others slip quietly under the radar, only to emerge as potential threats years later. 2007 FT3 is one of those asteroids that initially went unnoticed, but when astronomers took a closer look, they realized just how dangerous it could be. This asteroid, which measures around 340 meters in diameter, was first discovered in 2007, but it's been largely absent from public discussions since then. That was until recent observations sparked new concerns about its potential to collide with Earth. While the odds of an impact are extremely low, at just 0.000096%, the reality of this asteroid's size and the energy it could unleash upon impact is chilling. If 2007 FT3 were to strike Earth, it would release energy equivalent to 2.6 billion tons of TNT. That's enough to cause a massive regional disaster, wiping out entire cities and perhaps even triggering worldwide effects like dust clouds and climatic changes. Despite its potential, 2007 FT3 is not expected to hit Earth anytime soon, and it's been on the radar of astronomers for years. However, it's a stark reminder that some of the most dangerous asteroids are not always the ones everyone is talking about. It's a good thing that the world is starting to take asteroid threats more seriously, investing in technology and missions designed to detect, monitor, and potentially deflect these space rocks. The more we learn about these cosmic hazards, the better equipped we'll be to protect ourselves from a disaster that could come from out of nowhere.